Get ready to be shocked because the latest 2025 states just dropped, and the number one tourist destination in Southeast Asia is not Thailand. It's not Singapore either. What if I told you that one country just hit over 28 million international visitors in only 8 months? Let's dive into the most visited countries in Southeast Asia, January to August 2025. The Philippines with only 3.96 million international arrivals. That's way lower than expected for a country with some of the world's most stunning islands. Experts blame limited flights and infrastructure issues, but everyone agrees the potential is massive. Singapore with 11.6 million visitors, it's clean, futuristic, and safe, but expensive. Many tourists are now choosing cheaper destinations like Vietnam and Malaysia. Meanwhile, Indonesia follows closely with 10.04 million. And let's be honest, Bali alone probably brought half of them. Vietnam with 13.9 million international tourists. This is a huge leap for Vietnam. From Ha Long Bay's unreal landscapes to Da Nang's beaches, the country is rising fast and it's doing it quietly. Experts say if this growth continues, Vietnam could soon overtake Thailand in the next few years. Coming in second, Thailand with 21.88 million visitors. Still incredible numbers, but this year Thailand lost its crown. Once the king of Asian tourism, now Thailand is being chased hard by its neighbors. Even with Bangkok's nightlife with Phuket's beaches, the numbers could not match Malaysia's shocking surge. Believe it or not, Malaysia, with a jaw-dropping 28.24 million arrivals, Malaysia has officially crushed the competition. From Kuala Lumpur's Twin Towers to Langkawi's crystal beaches and Penang's street food, the country has become a tourism powerhouse. No one expected Malaysia to beat Thailand by such a massive gap, but it did. So there you have it, the shocking truth about Southeast Asia's 2025 tourism race. Malaysia takes the crown, Thailand slips to second, and Vietnam is climbing fast. Which of these countries do you think will dominate by the end of 2025? Comment below, smash that like button and subscribe for more mind-blowing travel facts.